Let's start with section number 1. Let's check out the objectives of the course. And this is a very short video, and I just want to let you know what are the objectives. So I want to make it clear what is a chemical engineer, what do they do, where do they work. Also, I want to analyze the curriculum, very interesting. What's an engineer, the difference on curriculums, maybe on mechanical engineering and electrical engineering, for examples. Then I want to analyze on student and professional life. Of course, this depends on the country you are, on the type of life or your lifestyle, but definitely I would say you can have common ground on different professions. Also, this is very important because one thing is what do you study and what do you expect, and another one is what are you actually going to be working on, what type of areas or jobs. So this is very important. I want you to know the type of places you can work, where can you, how much money is in each area, what do you like. Maybe you like being in a plant, or maybe you love being in a desk, whatever you have. Here are some examples of several job positions you can have. And finally, very important, what would you expect? Salaries, how much can you grow, different companies, etc.